Good morning. What we have here today is a Lyman 450 lubesizer. Pretty ancient. I've had it many years. It was used when I got it. I'm going to work backwards on this project. I replaced this adjustment bolt here. It's hollow inside. I used it a lot in the 70s and 80s when we did a lot of shooting, and the only way you could get bullets was to cast them yourself and lubricate them yourself. But time went on and life changed. I threw this old lubesizer in a cardboard box and it got set under a bench on the concrete floor for about 20 years. Got it out, it was all rusted up. Doesn't look pretty now, but it was all frozen solid. So I cleaned it up enough to use it. In the process, I broke this threaded part off here that adjusts how deep the bullet goes into the die. Well, it was still usable, but the other day I just decided I had enough and of estimating how deep to push the bullet into the die, so I decided to fix it. The fix was to go find a donor bolt that's 3/8/16 thread. I happened on one right quick out in the shed. Happened to be a square head, and then you had it on the dull. But here's the remnants of the old piece and another piece that's missing. When it was all frozen up, I actually broke off one part and couldn't get the other part out. So anyway, I took these parts off and it broke again as I got them out. And in the process, I drilled out a hole through this bolt to accept this plunger rod that comes down. We'll get it to work or not. The grease got it stuck there. There we go. That adjusts how much the bullet will go into the die up here. You can see the hole there. If you're not familiar with how this works. So anyway, I drilled a hole through it and I chased the threads so that it'll turn easy now. This is a locking screw here. Little small project, kind of keep the old tools going again. Probably nothing you'll ever get to have a need to do, but something I do on kind of a daily basis.